It's my first time going wedding dress shopping. I'm in Brea right now. My family's behind me, but I'm rushing over because we're a little late to our appointment. I'm going to Styles by TC, and I'm excited. I have no idea what dress I even want.
We do have champagne here. So
Oh, cute. Thank you. Cute.
Helping you
Oh,
today.
perfect.
Have we tried on dresses before?
No, this is officially the first, yes.
Okay, amazing. And just to start, do you know kind of what you're looking for?
I have like a general, can I show you a photo actually?
Yes.
Don't really love like the lace. This is interesting. Wow. Wow, this is very heavy beadwork. Yeah, I'm super excited. Although I'm like last minute with this, I definitely like at least got the venue down. That's the important one that.
But this is kind of where we started, and I know it can look overwhelming and daunting.
Wow.
Wow, it's getting real. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah. All the tools. No, I really like this actually. This is actually really surprising.
Romantic skirt. Just the yeah, the other one was romantic. This is stunning.
This one's a single layer, that one was a double layer.
Maxi.
How do you feel on this versus the other one?
I don't love it.
Oh, you don't?
No. It's beautiful. It doesn't feel like me though. I like this part, like the skirt. But I think I like I don't know, it's just not me. It's a beautiful dress for a bride, but just not this bride. Symmetrical.
Oh, interesting.
So it has the pleats similar to the first dress.
What was that?
You missed one.
Did you forget? It did record. Are you serious?
Wait, what am I doing wrong? Oh shoot, it just turns it on. It doesn't. And then I thought if I hit it.
I
Oh.
like the neckline on there.
I like the waist.
And the color. That's a much prettier kind of.
Oh, it does.
I like that detail.
Oh, it is very cream.
I like the color.
Yeah.
I'm kind of leaning towards like
Creamy. I like it, yeah.
over like the
Stark white. Yeah.
Can I see it with the belt tag? This is really pretty. I like it without.
I like it without as well, which is why I like to show for that first.
Ah, I like this one too.
Yeah, I love the waistline.
Yeah.
It has the basque waist in it.
What's a basque waist?
It's when it comes to like this point.
Ah. What do you think?
I do like the long veil. Oh, that's a blusher.
Yeah,
Ah.
just when you walk down the aisle.
I think you need not lashes that are not. We need shorter lashes.
I'm gonna be like walking down like this. Where's the aisle? Yeah, I really like this dress.
Yeah, I think I still like this one.
You said you just like this one?
I do like this one.
I want to see it with a veil actually though, huh? Because then I could do this scarf after.
Yes.
Maybe for when it starts getting a little chilly at night.
Chilly.
This one feels really me.
I like it with a veil.
What do you think, Mom?
I like it. I really like it. Ooh.
Thank you.
Cool, yeah.
This is dress number 6.
This one seems more like traditional.
Yeah. It's really simple.
Need anything, just reach out.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate you finding that dress because, yeah, that is beautiful. Okay. So apparently Anthropologie has a bridal section. So trying on some more dresses. I found, I think, 4 dresses that I was really interested in, so I'm excited to see them.
I'll flip through. If you see something you want to try on, just let me know. I'll check the back order date on it as well too.
Are there like other ones that weren't on the website?
There were some that weren't on the website, but we do send out like an inventory email, so I'm not too sure if you got
She
that.
did send it,
Yeah,
yes.
so we always
Okay,
list
I
out the
saw
ones
those.
that aren't reflected on there in that email.
Okay.
So that's actually the Stormy, so we're all good for it. So I'm gonna grab it. It's good to know you still like it in person. It's super similar to Brookhaven, it's just a lot more clean. It's really pretty on. And then
Oh, wow. You look shapely.
So this is the Brookhaven. It's very Dior-esque in my opinion. Like it reminds me of vintage Dior a lot.
Oh,
That's
that's true.
Really cool and fun about this dress is that actually, if you kind of look underneath, it's semi-detached from it. So what you're meant to do after you use it is you're meant to take it to a tailor and then get the top detached so you can reuse it as like a keepsake kind of thing.
Wow. Schmexy again.
I'm trying this one on because I wanted to see if I like the beading. I think I like the style of it, but not the beading.
Yeah, I know what you mean. She's right about the Dior-esque thing.
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
So this is literally the same
Dress.
dress. I didn't know that they had it. It's so funny because I thought they were just similar styles, but it's literally the exact same style.
Yeah.
It's really pretty.
I do like that neck thing.
Yeah. I still
I still like it.
really, really like this dress.
Yeah. Ah.
What do you think?
Oh, of course you do.
There's something about it that this part that I don't love.
Like a mummy?
Oh. Okay.
I mean, it's really pretty, but you can barely even see the slit. Like you can't, you know what I mean? Unless you do Angelina Jolie leg. Yeah.
You notice it's just right here and right here, and then this is the actual corset part. So it cinches in the waist really well because you have all of that diagonal, and then this is left blank right there as well too.
So it's meant to like.
So it's meant to like, yes, exactly, to like hourglass everything out.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's open. And the side.
Yeah, you have a little bit of a cutout on the sides right there.
Oh.
Oh, I don't like that. I did not see that.
I know you really like the way the basket is as well too, but what I love most is the hem of it, so it's a bubble hem. So what you have is actually material tucked underneath into this netting, and then when you go to fan it out, it kind of tenses up, and you get this really nice dramatic entrance, and then it just settles down beautifully.
Oh. Is that going to be restrictive for dancing and stuff? Can you move around?
Easier for dancing.
So you'll be nice and comfortable. And it's lightweight too, especially since it's all chiffon.
I like this one.
Yeah, this is elegant, actually. I like it.
with these shoes, they're like gowns we try to keep in stock, so what you're ordering from is a set stock, or if it's in a back order date, it's not nearly as strenuous as like those 17 weeks to date. Yeah.
Right. Okay. I still really like that one.
Vietnamese coffee.
Vietnamese
Café
coffee.